Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can set up self-service password reset for hybrid environment like the environment which has Active Directory and Office 365 connected, and also for the cloud only environment. So let's go first to hybrid environment. Like we will be going to set up enable self-service password reset so that user will be able to reset their passwords. First of all, please open Azure AD Connect tool. I'm opening this tool just to confirm that we can check the Azure AD Connect user and the permission of the user. So go to view or export current configuration. First of all, we have to confirm that this user have enough permission to reset the passwords. So let's go to an Active Directory and search for this user's permissions. Let me go to Active Directory users and computers. Okay. Active Directory users and computers, please make sure you have turned on these advanced features, right? Let me go to actions and go to properties, go to security. Here we are confirming the user's permission. Go to advanced. Okay, okay. Now I am in advanced. Go to add, select a principal. Now search for Azure user, right? For which we have to confirm the permissions. Yeah, we get this users. Now select from here descendant user object. Descendant user object. Okay. Now we have selected descendant user object. Now we have to add three permissions here, and the permissions are reset password, write logout time, write password last set. Let's go to for reset password. Okay. Now select write pwd last set. Okay. Now let's search for the last option, which was write logout time. Okay, let me search. So I have found the third option. Uh, let's select write logout time and now hit OK. Hit apply, hit OK. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now I am all done with Active Directory permissions. So the next step is to make sure that password write back is enabled from Azure AD Connect. So let's check. Synchronization is currently in progress. So I will check after some time. Okay, let's check password write back is enabled or no. For that, I have to log in with Office 365 administrator, and Okay, hit next. Again, hit next. Go to optional features. See, password write back. This option must be enabled, right, for setting up a self-service password reset for an hybrid environment. So this is enabled. I have clicked on ready to configure and now it's configuring. It will take some time. Okay, until it's configuring and syncing the environment. Let me hit start. Yeah, configure. Okay, until it's doing its job, please make sure you have correct license assigned that support self-service password reset. Right. Azure Active Directory Premium P1 support that. Azure Active Directory P2 supports that. You can check license according to your requirement on the web, right? On-premise integration from Azure, right? Let's go to portal.azure.com. Go to Azure Active Directory. Let's go to password reset. Go to on-premise integration, right? Here, enable write back password with Azure AD Connect Cloud Sync tool. Hit save. Okay. Now next, the important step is that we have to check minimum password age in group policy is set to 0. So password write back will work, right? So let me show you how we can check that, how we can confirm that. Go to default domain policy. For your understanding, I can show you here. Go to policies, Windows settings, security setting, account policy, password policy, and you can see here minimum password age. They should be set to 0 days. Okay, now this is confirmed. Let's go to my Azure. In Azure, go to password reset and now go to properties. Here, if you want to set this to all users, you can select all. And here I want to add only the selected user, the use. I have created a group, self-service password reset. Hit select and hit save because I want this group of user to reset their password whenever they want. In the authentication method, we can select more than one authentication method, and I have required only one authentication method, either email and either phone. Okay, these are setting you can check, right? uh, but my this tutorial was purely for self-service password reset for hybrid environment as well as for cloud environment. Cloud environment password reset configuration is very simple, but if you want, let me show you how we can do it in a minute. Go to Azure Active Directory. Then go to where is password reset? Um, Here, go to password reset. Here you can select the users, right? Add the users. Make sure the user have correct licensing. So here we can select all user or selected user and set up the authentication method. And for cloud based environment, you don't need to enable this write back thing, right? Only you can ignore this setup, and that's it for cloud environment. Only 2 or 3 steps. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.